Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to share Barossa.com reviews of the United States. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are apparels, face masks, mobile accessories, mugs and so forth, that too on discounted prices. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, Amex, Visa and MasterCard. Friends, let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that 5 to 10 days are required for domestic orders to be shipped, while 7 to 15 days are required for international orders. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now, let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Browser.com is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a positive sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 14th February 2020. But friends, despite of being into existence from almost 1 year, the trust score is low, and as per Alexa rating, traffic over the website is also low. Now let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So guys, here we can see that there is no About Us section, which again is a negative sign. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that contact number and an email ID is available, but friends, the email ID does not matches with the name of the domain name, which again is a negative sign. Addition to this, friends, it lacks presence on social media channels. Now let's have a look on return policies. So guys, the website is not mobile friendly, but we have tried to extract all the information for you through desktop. So we found that the return policies last for 30 days and refund will be initiated within certain amount of days in the original mode of payment. And talking about the Browser.com reviews, guys, so over the internet we could not find even a single customer review. And addition to this, friends, the images of the products over the website are duplicate, and apart from this, 75% of the content over the website is copied because it matches with other websites. So based on these points, we would like to conclude that Browser.com is a highly suspicious website because no legitimate websites hides owners' information, company's address and so forth. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share Browser.com reviews with us in the comment section below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting guys, and do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay informed.